Hey everybody, Thermal Mike back here. Another highlight here for Thermaltake at CES 2019, leveling up with the level 20 BattleStation gaming desk.
Einmal noch.
Dieses Video wird euch von den kabellosen Kopfhörern von JBL präsentiert. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
Original Pro Sound. Als wärst du dabei. Kabellose Kopfhörer von JBL.
Now this is a new desk that we're coming out here for the market for Q1 of 2019. This is a nice big size desk, definitely for an enthusiast that's looking for a lot of space both in the depth as well as width for multiple monitor support, as well as being able to support a full tower chassis. The desk itself can support up to 220 pounds, and as leveling up as I like to get my proper height, it's a fully motorized desk as well, allowing me to be able to get that precious legroom that I like and get that right stance that I want while I game. Now another add-on we have here for the desk is it has an RGB addressable rope light that goes all the way around the desk, so in those late night game sessions, jumping into the battle, you're going to have some nice illumination here, and you definitely have the option to turn it off as well. Going forward with that, we also have a nice full desk mouse pad. There's 3 cable cutouts in the back for proper cable management, as well as a cable catcher on the bottom to keep it nice and clean down below. So this here, the level 20 RGB BattleStation gaming desk here from Thermaltake at CES 2019.